Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to talk about something pretty wild. The AI that might be the very first, let's call it, pair of eyes on your next job application.
Okay, first I want you to just picture this. Imagine you're a hiring manager. You post one new job and boom, your inbox just explodes. And I'm not talking about, a handful of emails. We're talking about an average of 500 applications. 500 for one single corporate job. That's not a pile of resumes, that's a mountain.
So how on earth do you find that one perfect person in that sea of applicants? Right? This is the exact problem that huge companies are now using AI to solve. And believe me, it's changing the game completely.
All right, let's talk about one of the biggest players in this space, ADP. Now, their AI recruiting assistant, it's not just some simple app you'd find on your phone. No way. This is a serious, industrial-strength tool built to handle the entire hiring process, from A to Z.
And this is a really crucial point. It's not a standalone app. Think of it more like a powerful module that plugs directly into the massive HR systems that thousands of companies are already using for everything else. Payroll, benefits, you name it.
So what can this thing actually do? Well, its AI features are basically superpowers for a recruiter. Seriously. It can instantly read, score, and rank every single resume that comes in. It can write a polished, professional job post from just a simple prompt. It can dig through enormous amounts of data to suggest a competitive salary. And it can even handle the back and forth of scheduling interviews using chatbots. It's pretty incredible.
Okay, that all sounds super impressive, right? But what does it actually look like when a hiring manager uses it? Let's walk through the whole process. It's basically a three-step funnel. First up, step 1, create. The manager uses the AI to draft and post the job description everywhere, places like LinkedIn and Indeed. Then, step 2, screen. This is where the magic happens. As all those applications pour in, the AI reads all of them. It scores them for relevancy and uses what are called knockout questions to automatically filter people out. Think of simple yes-no questions like, do you have the required certification? Then finally, step 3, select. The manager gets to see a nice, clean dashboard with just the top-ranked candidates, their key skills already highlighted by the AI, ready for a human to invite to an interview.
So, what does something like this cost? Well, as you can probably guess, a tool this powerful doesn't come cheap. We're talking about a serious piece of enterprise software, and it has a price tag to match. Yeah, you're not just going to go to their website and see a price list. ADP uses a custom quote-based model. And it makes sense, right? The needs of a 50-person startup are totally different from a 5,000-person corporation, so every single package is tailored.
So the way companies usually pay for this is through a model called PEPM. That just stands for per employee per month. And typically, businesses will bundle this recruiting tool right in with all their other HR stuff, like payroll.
Okay, so what does that actually look like in real dollars? Well, for a mid-sized company, let's say about 50 employees, a whole package that includes this AI recruiting module, you could be looking at anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 a month. Yeah, it's a pretty significant investment.
All right, let's shift gears and talk about what is, honestly, the most critical piece of this whole puzzle. If we have a machine helping decide who gets an interview, we absolutely have to ask the big question. Is it fair? This is really the elephant in the room when it comes to AI and hiring. The biggest fear is that if you train an algorithm on decades of old hiring data, it might just learn all of our own human biases, and then just repeat them over and over automatically and at a massive scale. So what's really interesting is how ADP says they tackle this. On one hand, you have the risk, this idea of creating a digital glass ceiling. But on the other, you have their solution. They've put together a dedicated AI ethics board, and they say they design their algorithms to focus strictly on skills and qualifications, not on demographics. And they're constantly testing for what's called disparate impact, just to make sure the AI isn't accidentally favoring one group over another.
And this isn't just about doing the right thing anymore. It's also about the law. We're seeing new regulations pop up, like New York City's Local Law 144, that actually require companies to audit their hiring AI for bias. So ADP is building those compliance tools right into the software to help their clients stay on the right side of the law. Then, of course, there's data security. We're talking about resumes, home addresses, maybe even social security numbers. It's super sensitive stuff. That's why ADP uses what's called banking-grade security. It's literally the same level of protection your bank uses.
And this next number really puts it all into perspective. It shows you just why they have to be so intense about security. Get this,
ADP's systems handle the payroll for 1 out of every 6 workers in the entire United States. 1 in 6. Think about that. They're responsible for a mind-boggling amount of personal financial data. So security isn't just a feature for them, it's like the foundation of their entire business.
So after hearing all this, you might be wondering, is the human recruiter on their way out? Is the robot taking over? Well, according to ADP and pretty much all the experts in this field, the answer is a big, resounding no.
And this really gets to the heart of it all. The goal here is to create an AI co-pilot, not an autopilot. It's there to handle the tedious, repetitive stuff, like sifting through 500 resumes. That frees up the human recruiter to focus on the things humans do best, actually talking to people, judging character, and making that final, nuanced decision. You could say the AI provides the data, but the human provides the wisdom.
And that really leaves us with this final thought to chew on. Maybe the goal isn't to build a perfect, flawless AI that never makes a mistake. Maybe the real question is, how can we use these incredibly powerful new tools to build better, more efficient, and hopefully fairer hiring processes for absolutely everyone involved?